Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Java JDK 22 on Oracle Linux 9.4. First, verify any default Java installed or comes with Oracle Linux 9. Open terminal. Let me maximize the font. Okay, close it. Verify the Java version. See, we don't have Java, so type nn. Now click on activities, then Firefox. Now go to Google and search for Java JDK download. Click on Java downloads. See here we have the latest Java JDK is Java 22, 21 and 17. The latest one is 22. So select JDK 22, then select the Linux. Then we have to download the RPM package. Debian package is for Ubuntu, Kali Linux and Debian type operating system. So RPM is for RHL, Fedora, Oracle Linux, Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, etc. So right click on this one, copy link, then open terminal, wget, paste it, and its size is 186 megabytes. Wait until this RPM package download completes. Once download is completed, we will install the Java JDK 22 on Oracle Linux. See, we have successfully downloaded the RPM package. Ctrl L to clear screen, ls. See here we have the JDK 22 bin RPM. So install it by running the command sudo rpm-i JDK and give the tab to autofill the RPM package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, installation has been started. This is just warning, we can ignore. Installation has been completed. Now run the Java version. See, we have installed the Java version 22. This is the latest version at the time of making this video. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now let us create a sample Java program, compile it. So create a sample Java file, sudo vi first program.java. You can use any text editor that you are familiar with Linux operating system. Hit enter. I2 insert mode. Paste the following code. I will keep the sample script in the video description. Save the file. Now sudo java c, then Java program file. Hit enter. Now run the Java args. See, this is the output or the console output that we have given in this Java program. Let us add one more line or one more print command to print the output on the console. So shift A, System.out.println, then add sum of two numbers. So 8 plus 9, print, put semicolon at the end of the statement. Save the file. Now run the Java args. But this will give the same old output. Why and how to fix, I will show you. See, we got the same output, but after modification of any Java file, we must have to compile. So compile it by running the command java c first. Now run the Java args. Now we will get the two lines. See, first line is the folder one and the second one is the latest. Second line output is the output after modification of the Java program. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 22 on Oracle Linux 9.4. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.